Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Grand Hotel.
Hello, my name is Kai. I have a reservation for today.
Nice to meet you, Kai. Do you have your passport, please?
Yes, I do. Here is my passport.
Thank you very much. I am checking the system now.
No problem at all. The lobby is very beautiful.
Thank you, Kai. We like the soft lights here.
I like your uniform. It looks very professional and neat.
That is very kind. Are you here for business?
Yes, I am. I am an English tutor.
How interesting. Do you have many students?
Yes, I do. I love to help people learn.
That is great. I found your booking now.
Perfect. Is it for 3 nights?
Yes, it is. From today until Friday.
Excellent. That is exactly right.
I need you to sign here. Please use this pen.
Done. My signature is very simple.
Thank you. You are a very fast worker.
I try to be. Time is very important.
Do you have any bags, Kai?
Just this small suitcase. It is not heavy.
Very good. The room is ready for you.
Is it a quiet room? I need to sleep.
Yes, it is. It is on the 5th floor.
That is high up. I like high floors.
You can see the city. The view is amazing.
I am very happy. This is a good start.
Let's talk about the room details.
I am ready. I am listening.
You have a deluxe room. It has a big bed.
That sounds perfect. Is there a desk too?
Yes, there is. You can work there comfortably.
I need a desk. I have many lessons today.
We have a lamp, too. It is very bright.
Good. I need light for my glasses.
Your glasses are very stylish. Are they new?
Thank you. Yes, I bought them last week.
They look great. They match your green shirt.
Thank you. Green is my favorite color.
It is a very vivid green. It looks positive.
I want to be positive. It helps my students.
I agree with you. A smile is important.
Is the room non-smoking? I hate the smell.
Yes, it is. All our rooms are fresh.
Perfect. I like clean air.
Do you want a newspaper? We have them here.
No, thank you. I read news on my phone.
I understand. Digital is very fast now.
Yes, it is. But books are good too.
We have a small library. It is downstairs.
That is wonderful. I love to read books.
You can go there anytime. It is always open.
Thank you, Lily. You are very helpful.
It is my pleasure. I like my job.
I can see that. You are very friendly.
Now, let's talk about breakfast.
Oh, yes. I am very hungry.
Breakfast is very good here.
What do you have?
We have a great restaurant. Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
That is perfect for me. I wake up early every day.
We have eggs, fruit, and coffee. Everything is very fresh.
I love fresh fruit. Is the coffee strong?
Yes, it is very strong. Our chef is Italian.
That is excellent news. I love Italian coffee.
Breakfast is in the main hall. It is near the lobby.
Is it included in the price? I want to check.
Yes, it is completely free. You just show your key.
That is very convenient. Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome, Kai. Do you like tea, too?
Yes, I like green tea. It is very healthy.
We have 10 types of tea. You can try them all.
Wow, 10 types. That is a lot of tea.
We want our guests to be happy.
I am very happy now. I am ready for my room.
One more thing, Kai.
Yes, what is it?
Here is your key card.
Thank you very much.
This is your room key. It is an electronic card.
How do I use it? Do I tap it?
Yes, just tap it on the door. The light will turn green.
That is very easy. I like modern technology.
Do not put it near your phone. It can stop working.
Oh, thank you for the tip. I will be careful.
If you lose it, come here. I can make a new one.
I hope I do not lose it. My pockets are deep.
That is good. You are very funny, Kai.
I like to make people smile. It is my nature.
You are a very positive guest. We like people like you.
Thank you. I like this hotel already.
Your room is number 505. It is on the 5th floor.
505. I will remember that number.
The elevators are on the right. They are very fast.
Good. I have my suitcase here.
Do you need help with your bag?
No, thank you. It is very light today.
Very well. Enjoy your room, Kai.
Wait, I have one more question.
Yes, Kai? What is your question?
Where is the elevator exactly? I see 2 doors.
Use the silver doors on the right. They are for guests.
I see them now. They are near the big plant.
Exactly. Just press the button for floor 5.
Thank you. Is the elevator quiet?
Yes, it is very silent. You will not hear it.
Good. I like a quiet building.
Our hotel is very peaceful. You can rest well.
I have a lesson in 1 hour. I need to prepare.
You work very hard, Kai. You are a good teacher.
I love my students. They want to speak English well.
Maybe I can learn from you too. My English is okay?
Your English is great, Lily. You speak very clearly.
Thank you. I practice every day with guests.
That is the best way to learn. Practice is key.
I agree. Now go to your room.
I am going now. My suitcase is ready.
Have a nice rest.
See you later.
Kai, wait. I forgot the Wi-Fi.
Oh, yes. I need the internet for my work.
Here is a small card. I am writing the password.
Thank you. Is the password difficult?
No, it is Grand Hotel 2024. It is very simple.
Grand Hotel 2024. I can remember that easily.
It works in the lobby too, and in the restaurant.
That is perfect. I can work in the cafe.
The signal is very strong. You can watch videos.
Good. I make videos for my students.
Are you a famous YouTuber, Kai?
No, I am not famous, but I am happy.
Being happy is better than being famous.
I agree with you, Lily. You are very wise.
Thank you. I read many books in our library.
I will visit the library tonight. I promise.
Enjoy the fast internet, Kai.
I will. Thank you for the card.
You are welcome. See you at dinner.
Goodbye for now.
Kai, do you like to swim? We have a pool.
I love swimming. Is the water warm?
Yes, it is 30 degrees. It is very comfortable.
That is wonderful. I will bring my swimsuit.
We also have a gym. It is next to the pool.
Is the gym big? Does it have a treadmill?
Yes, it has 5 treadmills and many weights.
I need to run every day. It gives me energy.
The gym opens at 6 o'clock. It is very early.
That is perfect for me. I am an early bird.
An early bird catches the worm.
Exactly. You know English idioms very well.
I learned that one yesterday. It is a good one.
You are a very good student, Lily.
Thank you, Teacher Kai.
You are funny. Is the spa free too?
No, the spa is extra, but the pool is free.
Okay, I will use the pool. That is enough for me.
The towels are near the water. You don't need yours.
Great. I will go there after my lesson.
Okay, Kai. Everything is finished now.
Thank you for all your help, Lily.
You are a very nice guest. Welcome to our hotel.
I feel very welcome. You are a great professional.
Have a wonderful stay in our city.
I will. I want to see the museum tomorrow.
The museum is great. It is very close to here.
Perfect. I will ask you about it tomorrow.
I will have all the information for you.
Goodbye, Lily. Have a nice afternoon.
Goodbye, Kai. Enjoy your room.